I love it. But let's go ahead and get into the actual look. And I did post this on my Instagram. If you want to check that out, go and like that pic. It's absolutely beautiful. But let's go ahead and pull this hair up, because this is the look that we're going for. Right here, right here. So I'm going to take some of my favorite Eco Styling Gel, and I'm going to add that to my edges. And guys, I am going to keep this in for a few days and just have fun with it, because I'm loving it. I don't know why I never thought to do this before. I think this is a really cool protector style for us. I really think so.
So before we get deep into this style, I just want to let you know that there are 2 parts to this video and you're currently watching part 2. If you haven't seen part 1, stop this video right now and go and watch it. Thank me later. Now I'm just adding my Brazilian Kinky curly hair from Yvonne Hair Company. I will include the details in the description box, but buy at your own risk because I'm really not sure of the current state of their hair. I ordered quite a few years ago, and I'll tell you guys about that in this video, but I'll still include the details for you guys, whoever's interested. I'm not really going through and describing every single thing that I do because I feel like it's a very easy style and you can pretty much learn it simply by watching the video. But let me know if you guys struggle and I won't do this again, okay?
I feel like I look like the 80s right now.
Those earrings were kind of messing up the groove, so I had to take those things out and switch into my hoops.
Your girl is done. So what do you guys think of this? I think that it is so adorable. This is so cute. I absolutely cannot wait to edit this video for you. So in order to blend this hair with my natural hair, I started out by moisturizing my hair. I did the lock method with my leave-in, my oil, which is my castor oil, my olive oil. And then I added a styling cream, which was actually my gel. I used my Eco Styling Gel that I normally use, the flaxseed and castor oil. And I twisted my hair. I did 3-strand twists in order to ensure that, you know, my curls would blend a little bit better, which, you know, they do. If you guys look and see, the hair is actually not my hair type. You know, the curls are a lot bigger than mine, but I was kind of able to mimic it by pretty much making sure that the hair had a frizz to it, you know? So therefore I went in and I split the hair up quite a few times, split up the curls, and it blends perfectly well, in my opinion. I think it looks really good. So yeah, we're gonna continue taking those down. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. I love Yvonne's hair company, but you know, how the hair was the 2 times that I purchased it, but considering it was almost 3-4 years ago, I honestly don't want to set you up for failure because I don't want you to blame me if it's not the same type of hair. So, you know, if you choose to purchase from them, you know, I just wish you the best. You know, I always had a good experience, but like I said, it's been years.
So guys, I'm honestly not sure what I was talking about since I was talking a whole lot. But I'm positive that I was telling you guys about the other 2 times that I'd styled my hair like this without using the closure. And I just wanted to show you guys photos of how that turned out and just how different it looked each time. So I think I definitely played with it enough, fluffed it enough. Now it's time to actually style it. I added some of my edge control around the front, and I decided to go against the part, you know, like the part just wasn't working for me. I'd played with it long enough, so I just pushed it all to the back, and it was such a carefree style, but it was still so beautiful. What do you guys think? I want you guys to comment below and let me know which style was your favorite, okay? And don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, I'm not going to waste any more of your time. You see the back, you see the other side, and we're done. I hope you enjoyed. See you later. Bye.